Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how to earn $40 over and over again just by using this website I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. I'll show you guys a bonus tip to earn way more in this video, so make sure you stick to the very end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you want to do is open up your browser and type cashcreate.com. I'll leave the link of this site to the description box below so you can easily access the site. It's called cashcreate.com, and let me load up. I'll show you guys what this site is all about. And the good thing about this site is that it's available on mobile. You can use it on mobile and you can use it on system as well. So for those of you guys that have been telling me that they can't access some of my websites on their mobile phone, this is a good website that you can use on your mobile phone, and they have an application as well, so you can use their app to make this work for you. Okay, so this is the site, right? Cash create, earn extra cash, right? Find vetted opportunities to make money online. That's the way it works. Choose a category. So there are like 4 categories or opportunity categories you can use right here. So the first one is called paid survey. Paid survey, so you get paid by just doing surveys, simple surveys like which hotel you like, what's your favorite phone brand, something. Surveys, just they want to get a feedback so that they can know the particular population that likes certain things. That's what surveys is. So you get paid by doing survey. So that's what it is. Okay guys, I encourage you to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified each time I drop awesome videos like this, so you'll be in check, because information is power in this 2020. If you're not informed, you are deformed. So get informed, right? So just click on that subscribe button and turn the bell notification on. So moving on, the second category is side hustles. A part-time job, just a part-time job, like a side hustle. They might engage you to do some part-time works. You just do a part-time job for them. It's not a full-time, something you can do as a part-time and you get paid, right? So that's the second one. And the third one is rewards. You get rewards, right, by doing some micro tasks, like maybe liking some pictures or commenting on the post, or doing some of these micro tasks work that you do online. You just do it and get rewards. So like they say, get paid to do just about anything. So anything about anything you get paid, right? So the fourth category is called shopping. So this is like a cashback. Once you make purchase using the shopping websites, they pay you back, right? They pay you like 10% back of what you actually bought using their payment platform. So that's what it works. A lot of these shopping cashback app have been coming out quite lately. So this is how it works. So I'll quickly show you guys other aspects of this. So this is the reward category. The major one is called swag box. So if I click on visit program now, it will load up to swag box. But quickly I'll tell you guys what the swag box is all about. But before I do that, I would like you to smash the like button super hard. If you're getting value already, just smash that like button real hard, so to encourage the YouTube algorithm to put this video to the very top, so much people like you can gain as much value like you're doing in this video, so that they can gain and be able to make money in this pandemic that a lot of people lost their source of income. Like this video and share it with your friends, right? So moving on, Swagbox is the largest and best known place to earn money online with over 340 million. Wow, that's a lot of bucks, right? 340 million in payments issued since launch in 2008. So they have been here for a while. Swagbox is owned by LLC. So if you know this company, this Pojege, hope I pronounce it right, LCC, it's a popular company. I know about this LCC. I've been seeing it quite a lot. So it's a very popular company. So this is the Swagbox. If I click on visit site, it will load up to Swagbox site, their website, and you can easily create an account and sign in. So that's what it is. So this Cash Create is like a parent company that you can link for reward sites, shopping sites that pay you your cashback, survey sites, reward sites. I'll show you guys all the bonus tip in this video, so make sure you stick to the very end of this video. You won't regret it, right? So this is Swagbox. this is the official website, right? So you can easily create an account. It's just like a two-step verification process. Your email address, password, confirm your password, sign up, and they will send you an email for you to just verify that email. Once you verify it, voila, you are good to go. You are very good to go. If you have any question or any comment so far, just leave it on the comment section below. Like, you know me, I always respond to all my comments because I value you guys. I value you guys out a lot. You guys, the audience listening to me, I value you guys a lot. I hope you guys value me as well. If you do so, just hit that like button for me real hard, so to encourage me to keep dropping awesome videos like this. So moving on, this is Swagbox. You can register and complete simple surveys, right? And make simple surveys. Moving on, this is shopping my point. This my point is a shopping that gives you a cash back. Like you can see, my point is a large cash back program helping people to save on over 1,900 store online or in person. So you can be able to save up to these stores once you make a purchase using their my point website. Like once you want to make a purchase online, like maybe you want to buy something from Amazon and you make that purchase using my point payment program, you get some percentage of your cash back. That's basically what it is. If I click on visit program, you load up their sites real quick. So guys, I'll encourage you guys to use the affiliate links below on my description box to purchase some programs that you like weight loss and some virtual reality that I have a whole lot on my description box. Just use it to buy some affiliate programs. The honest truth is that I get commission, so just it's like a way to support me and all that. So moving on, you can take another survey and start now. So this is the point, my point, right? That's the website. You can just take simple surveys and cash out. And also they have a payment platform whereby you can make payments. Okay, you have to register first. Just put on your email and click on continue. They'll send you a confirmation email, right? And you just verify your accounts, your surveys, so you can simply make surveys. That's one thing about surveys. If you have time, I'm just keeping it real with you guys, always keeping it real. If you have time, surveys can work for you. You can be able to make surveys. But if you don't have time, I will encourage you to do passive income. I have a whole lot of videos on passive income. But while time is passing by, you can use surveys to just answer simple questions and make money while doing that. So this is paid surveys, right? On the category of paid surveys, this is Telwood. I hope I pronounced this right. Telwood. Comment below if you have a better pronunciation, right? I'm just kidding, right? So reward for this panel is an online survey panel found in 2010. So it's also a survey panel that is found on 2010. Reward for survey are provided in the form of points. So these points can be converted to cash, that's dollars, and you can cash it out using PayPal. I have videos about how to create a PayPal account on my channel. You can watch as much videos as you can. So this is it. If I click on it, I'll visit their website. Okay, so that's how it works, and you can easily register. And this is paid surveys. If you want a list of paid survey sites, you can just click on this and they will quickly load up paid survey sites, and you can just visit them and know all about them. So as I click on paid survey sites, all these sites listed here are paid surveys. As you can see, earn extra money with paid surveys. So this site is like the parent website. This cash crate that will show you all the sites that will pay you using surveys, using side hustles, using rewards, and using cashback shopping, right? So this is paid surveys. This is Telwood. I've already covered this. This is YouGov is a global online survey community with over 6 million members. So this is actually doing well, and they have a rating of 4 star, right? Almost 5 stars. So it's a very good website. You can easily visit and register. So I encourage you guys to take as much website right here. You can even load more, right? You load more and see more. This is big sense. So they have a whole lot of survey sites that are paying cash up right now, and people have been cashing out. And most of them, guess what? They work in Nigeria, and it works on your mobile phone. So you can use it whether you're in Bangladesh, it works. Whether you're in India, it works. Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, wherever you are, it works. So I will encourage you guys to to do that as well. And we just quickly tell you guys to follow me on my social media. If you look over to their side, you will see my social media handles. Just follow me back. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Just follow me. I'm giving you guys great value, and you can also interact on that social media handles, and you can send me message and we can just interact because I value you guys. So just follow me right now. After watching this video, go to your YouTube or Instagram and follow me. So moving on, you can go to the side hustles. That's the part-time jobs that you can perform, and click on it, and to reload, it will load to part-time. As you can see, earn extra cash with white side hustles. So all these sites right here are side hustles, work jobs that will pay you for doing part-time jobs, right? This is Sister City. Interested in working as a child care provider, like a child care provider, a part-time job you can provide for a child and they pay you. So this site is just covering that. Like I said, due to this pandemic, a lot of websites have been coming out to bridge the gap, right, to make money online and make things easier for you guys. So most of these sites are not yet popular and not yet saturated. I will encourage you guys to take action now. You won't regret it. Like 6 months from now, a year from now, you'll be ahead of maybe your folks that are not taking action. Be among the 1%. Just take action right now so you can be among the 1% and start making a killing out there in the marketplace. So this is another side hustle. DoorDash is the second largest. So this is the second largest demand food delivery service. Like a food delivery service, you can help them, but this works in the United States. So I'll encourage you guys to go through these sites. There are ones that works in Nigeria and your country, whichever country you are. This is Rover. You can use this to check our Rover. I have fans in the United States as well. If you are a United States fan or subscriber on my channel, you can simply do this. This one is still in the United States. Other ones have Nigeria and other countries as well. M-Talk. This is Amazon Talk. This is Amazon. This is sponsored by Amazon. M-Talk. I hope you guys know that. Amazon Mechanical Talk. You complete simple tasks, right? Micro tasks, just like Pico workers. That's the way they work, and you can grow and earn way more, up to $10 per task and all that. So just keep checking out all these. And moving on, rewards. You get rewards by just doing simple tasks. Let me click on it and it will load up. While it's loading up, I'll encourage you guys to check out my EP. I dropped Africana Vibes EPs on the link is on my description box below. Africana Vibes instrumental. You can use instrumental if you're an artist to vibe and rap and sing as well if you're into all that, right? So this is the rewards. Moving on, socks box. I've already covered this. It's a reward point, and I've cashed out over $340 million. Once some people say this, they think that this is fake. This is not fake, right? This is giving you start, and if a site can be able to pay this, don't doubt it. Just find a way. Most of people have been saying they want easy way. Does it work? They are already in doubt. How will it work for you if you're in doubt? You have to be willing and be dedicated before it work. Without faith, nothing can work. And all these things I'm showing you guys work, right? It works, and people have been giving me positive feedback. Some have been giving me negative feedbacks. But I want every of them to be positive. I want the negative to work harder and see that it works and move to positive, so that they will see the other side, that the land is actually greener on the other side, right? So this is the reward. I have a whole lot in box dollars, and if you are online hustle, you have been seeing all this. So this is where they originated from, and this have cashed out over 47 million in cash rewards. As you can see, this is Vendela, and you can do this thing and employ people in Pico workers to do it for you, and you start cashing out and all that. So this is shopping. Moving on, this is the shopping one that you can have. If you have any question or comment, leave it on the comment section below. Like I said earlier, just leave it on the comment section below. So moving on, this is the shopping category. So all these are shopping cash backs that you can use to purchase and cash. Let me quickly visit the program and show you guys how this works. They give you cash backs, like you can see, coupons.com. Coupons, that means you make purchase, they give you the bonus coupons to maybe make purchase for a bigger or higher product out there. So it's just giving you coupons to like a discount rate and all that. Coupon, clip and print coupon and save money on grocery items to use every day, such as foods, personal cares, household, babies, beverages and all that. So this is the website. Okay, I think there's an error. message is showing me. Maybe it's because I didn't use VPN. Let me quickly load it again. I think it requires VPN, and I keep saying this in all my videos. Use this VPN. Let's have whole VPN, and if you have money, paid for the paid version, it will be stronger for you guys. And switch it to United States. That's the way it works, right? United States guys tend to have more offers. That's the way the world is. Don't ask me why. You know how the world is, right? So that's just the way it is. So moving on, let me quickly log this in and it will reload, and I hope it works, and I'll show you guys that this thing works in United States. So just use a strong VPN and open most of these sites and start making a killing. So this is my point. The same thing. It's a cashback program. My point is the largest cashback program. Cashback. Start getting used to this cashback because a lot of them will be coming out soon. After this pandemic, cashback, you pay, you get some cashback and start. You can make, imagine you are making all this work for you guys, all this. I've covered eBota on my previous video. If you are tuned to this channel, you know when I covered eBota. So eBota is also here among the cashbacks, and I've covered over 30 million times. Over that, over 30 million. This is a very good 5-star rating. 5-star rating. It's not like a fake something. All these ones are just 5-star rating. All the shopping 5-star rating. So whichever works for you. If you like more of shopping cashbacks, you come here and start making it happen for you guys. So this is the parent side. Like I said, I'll leave the link on the description box below, and I encourage you guys, if you want to support this channel, there's a donate button below. There's a donate button. Just click on the donate button and you donate, maybe using PayPal or Patreon. Just support this site. Any donation you make will be used to buy like better equipment like camera and lighting and mic and all that, to make a better quality and better background and provide you guys about finance and all that, so you guys can still gain value. This is like a long-term partnership or commitment rather. So this site is not loading up, although I switched to United States. I guess something is wrong with the site itself. That's the only explanation. But other ones, like I showed you guys in this video, open. Let me check this one. They open as well. So just check out all these sites. Some might just have this error message. Maybe it's due to their site, or most of them still works, and it works, right? As you can see, this is like a new site, and I highly recommend this one. It works, but maybe now they're having a upgrade or something, right? So this one, as you can see, click here to start. So you can click right there and open their website. So this is eBota, which I've covered on my other videos. So that being said, it's loading up, guys. I don't want to make this video that long, but that being said, the playlist will pop on your screen right now. The playlist just pop up. Just make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can. Just watch as much that showing how to make money online on 2020, so you start making it happen for you guys. Just click on the playlist and watch as much video you can. And guys, I will see you on my next video.